Hi, good afternoon. My name is Monica Jirak. I'm the Executive Director of the DANK Haus German American Cultural Center. We just had the amazing grand opening of the Love Hate sculpture right here at the Western Ground Line Plaza. Mia Florentine Weiss, the artist from Berlin, we worked collaboratively with her to bring this wonderful masterpiece to our great city of Chicago. And I really want to say a big thank you to the Center of Peruvian Arts, who did a wonderful performance featuring Ruben Pachas and his wonderful team. And really it's important that we stress the importance of cross-cultural collaboration. The city of Chicago, we're 77 neighborhoods, so many wonderful ethnic heritage organizations, and it's really important for us to accept all cultures and diversity, and we look forward to working with Ruben and the Center of Peruvian Arts in the future. Thank you so much.